This is what we're going to draw. Let's start off at the top by drawing a diamond or a parallelogram like that. And then we want to come down like this to about there, and then we're going to draw a line across. So that needs to be parallel to this, and that needs to be kind of parallel to that, pretty much anyway. So we got like a cube at the top. It's actually tapering in a little bit like that. Now then come in a bit and then carry on down there and come in a little bit there and carry on the same line as that to about there. And this will be round about there, so we'll draw another line that's kind of parallel here. Might have to just adjust it in the camera in a moment. And then we want a line that goes across like that. So this is coming back to the handle, and that will come just slightly forward of this line. And this wants to come back up there like that. And that will then come back to there. And then that will be kind of where the handle goes in there. Then we're going to want to have a little sort of line across on the top there, and that will be sort of curved across there. And then we want 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Now we also need to draw a curve here and fit a wheel in there. So that's not an easy thing to kind of get right. So it's going to be kind of flush with the bottom there, really, and then that's going in that way and going in that way and then around like that inside there. Little circle, and then that's going to be the tires, and then go up, down, across like that. Now comes a tricky bit, because here we want to bring a line up there and another one coming down there. So this kind of is pretty much equidistant. That is about the same as that. Then that needs to come in. It needs to rebate, as we say technically. And then that is going to come up to there. And it's going to keep coming up to there. And that would be the same height. So then this needs to then come up like that. And then this will be... It's not easy, is it? We can call this draw stuff real easy. This one isn't so easy. So this will then come forward that little bit there, come up like that. And then in here, probably about there, there's a bar that goes across. And this is what makes it a rollout trash can and not a wheelie bin, which is what we have here in the UK. When a rubbish truck turns up for a wheelie bin, it grabs hold of the handles and flips it in, and the dustman or the garbage operator has already lifted open the lid and off it goes. Whereas in the States, the garbage truck grabs hold of the can here and lifts it open, and then as it goes open, then the top flips open on its own. I will draw a wheelie bin, and I'll put a link up here when I do. Now let's draw some ink. So I'm going to draw this kind of curve thing going on across the top like that. It's going to come over to there, down here, and everything is slightly curved. All the edges get curved because it's injection molded plastic, and so that's kind of what happens. So around here, this is going to be slightly curved, no sharp corners. When you come to this corner, just curve it around slightly, and then that will kind of curve around like that. And let's put a line in there, and don't join the corners up like that. And that will go across to there. And then that will have the handle in there, and then we can put the rest in the back there. Now again, let's bring this down here and we want to curve that corner, and we'll bring that up to there and across, down, and just slightly curve that corner. It's just softening the corners really, and we'll bring that around and up, and we can just draw a hint of the line down the middle because it's curved, so there isn't a sharp edge. And then let's bring that down there like that, and that down there to there, and here we need this to come down like that, from where we can then come around the corner, slightly soften those sharp corners, bring that up to there, bring that into there. Let's do that grab handle there, and then that will be up there, and that goes up there. We're getting there. Just hint at that corner because it's curved. And then this is the tricky part, is to get the wheel in there, something like that. And I'm just going to kind of put a bit of grip texture kind of thing on there like that. And then that will be the tire. And then if we draw a little circle like that, and then draw little triangles inside where you drew the cross lines, like that. And then you can maybe add a little bit of 3D by kind of putting some extra on the sides there like that. And then we're just going to see a little bit of the rest of the can there. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. If you got this far and you're really interested in drawing, click down there and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. Ring that little notification bell when you see it and you'll get emails letting you know. Now I am going to add some shading under here and some under here too, but slightly shorter lines. We're going to need some shading in there and underneath there. We'll need some underneath there. And we can maybe put a line across there too, just to let us know that it's tubular and curved. And then I think we can do a little bit in there too, and a little bit under there, and under there too. Put some shading in there. And then finally, let's put some shading to get it firmly on the sidewalk, ready, waiting for the garbage truck to turn up and empty it. And there you go, how to draw a rollout trash can. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.